3D Precision Machine Incorporated is a full-service CNC machine shop unlike any other. Our modern, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility offers the latest innovations in technology. Based out of Temecula, California, we are centrally located between San Diego, Riverside, and Orange County. Since 2006, we have been a manufacturing partner to customers in the medical, aerospace, and defense industries nationwide. Our mature quality management system has been registered to ISO since 2010, AS9100 certified, ITAR for the defense industry, commercial and government entity code 4U-M34.
Our top priority and measure of success at 3D Precision Machine is producing high-quality machine parts, plated, cleaned, packaged, and preserved, delivered directly to your assembly line.
Our company is a physical manifestation of our ideal optimized manufacturing process because we house everything under one roof. A high quality end result is guaranteed. Our full range of services include precision machining with cutting-edge technology. We are focused on meeting the highest standards and tightest tolerances in our manufacturing processes. This ensures proven, reliable repeatability, guaranteeing your product exactly to your specification the first time, every time. Laser marking, polishing, Class 2, 3, 4, 5 cleaning, packaging, and preservation. Detailed inspection utilizes the latest metrology. Our manufacturing floor houses a climate-controlled, dedicated in-process inspection lab. First article inspection and finished parts are examined in our dedicated inspection lab using our stylus or optical-based CMMs. We also host the source inspection on site, further reducing time, allowing your parts to travel straight to their kit for assembly. These value-added services combined would take our competitors weeks to complete, requiring multiple vendors at multiple locations, further increasing the risk of damage at each facility, potentially jeopardizing your product's success. Our state-of-the-art facility provides all of these services under one roof. This reduction of part handling provides you with product exactly to your specifications, delivered right to your assembly line, saving you money, time, and ensuring pristine quality. 3D Precision Machine truly is a one-stop shop of professionals supported by systems, equipment, processes, and procedures. Contact us today to start a relationship of quality and success.